The key elements of the technique are quick hand movements and a low motor frequency. Dots should appear under the skin as a result. From these dots, one can form the desired shadows and patterns. Egor uses an adjustable grip, which balances the machine well, and wraps it with a paper towel to increase its size. He then covers it with bandage tape. For this technique, Egor uses tightly grouped 3RL needles with the needle extension set to the maximum length. This allows for visual and tactile control over the needle penetrating the skin. However, Egor doesn't push the needle fully under the skin. He works only with its tip. He uses oil or Vaseline during the process. Egor recommends against using gray wash as it may fade significantly over time. Using pure black ensures the healed result matches the session's appearance. The stroke is set to 5.5, but for more delicate skin, it is lowered to 3.8. This adjustment is necessary in areas where the skin is close to joints and bones, such as the collarbones. The frequency is 80 Hz, which is quite high for this style, and it's recommended to start with lower frequencies. The key is to synchronize the frequency with the hand's speed to create dots, not commas. Shading is done from dark to light areas. The working angle is 50-60 degrees, but it can be reduced to 40 degrees for more intense black. Skin tension is applied in the direction of the shading. Stretch the skin with fingers and with the hand holding the machine, which glides smoothly thanks to the Vaseline or oil. Proper skin tension makes it easier to penetrate, but over-tensioning results in smaller dots. The technique is similar to pencil drawing. The harder you press, the more pigment is deposited under the skin. However, it's better not to overload the needle as it might cause the ink to blow out. It's safer to go over the area multiple times. If redness makes it difficult to see the results, it's better to leave that spot and apply a soothing foam compress. After the redness subsides, you can check the result and finish the shade or achieve more even tone. Dot density can also be controlled by the hand's speed movement. The slower, the darker it is. A common mistake is when artists don't draw freehand and fail to understand how shadows fall on the body. A transfer stencil might not consider body shapes, so it's advisable to either draw on the transfer or do full freehand, as Egor does. A tip from Egor's: if you notice a blowout, rub it with your finger to disperse the ink through the capillaries rather than letting it settle in one spot. If this isn't done immediately, a blue spot may appear upon healing.